Which Christians do you pray for? Those who have similar proclivities? Those who live in similar regions? Those with similar appearances? Which Christians do you pray for? Here are 3 scriptures that tells you the reasons why you should pray for us, meaning all other Christians. 1. Bear one another's burdens so that you may fulfill the law of Christ. Galatians 6 verse 2. 2. And the Lord restored the fortune of Job when he prayed for his friends. And the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had had before. Job 42 verse 10. 3. Finally, brothers, pray for us, that the word of the Lord may speed ahead and be honored among you. Those scriptures gives you 3 reasons why you should pray for us, meaning all other believers, not just the ones that you know, not just the ones that you interact with daily.